Alright, so I am working on a 2016 Ford Fusion, and I got a couple of ABS codes for the power steering control module, and it's a used vehicle inspection, and I was just, while I was driving it, I noticed a grinding noise and kind of grinding feeling in the steering wheel. And I wasn't really sure what it was. Got my stethoscope out, and I just wanted anybody else to know if they dealt with this. This is kind of, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I'll rewatch the video after I'm done and kind of check it out, see if you guys can hear it. But so come to find out, that noise is coming from the steering rack. So if anybody else has the same issue, I did look up and saw on a forum that apparently they were having problems with the ball joints going bad, and when they were going bad on these Fusions, they were making that grinding noise as well. Just make sure that you check the power steering rack. I'm assuming that's why I have those codes in there. I'm guessing the power steering module went bad, and it's kind of doing its own thing. So yep, just hope this video helps somebody out, and we'll see you next time.